Welcome to Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall. Before we get into the highlight, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow at Jamwave Radio across all platforms as we continue to bring you real reggae culture worldwide. Reggae Highlight. Jah Rain returns with a powerful new release, and this one hits different. Rivers of Freedom.
In the valley where the cold wind cry, children ask the question why. Broken systems, empty plate, still we standing at the gate. Mama pray by candlelight.
A song rooted in culture, driven by message, and built on authentic reggae foundation. From the very first sound, you can feel the energy, the purpose, the vibration.
Holding faith through darkest night, every tear that touched the ground, water seeds without a sound. We are rivers of freedom flowing.
This is not just a track, this is a statement. Jah Rain delivers pure roots reggae, blending deep lyrical substance with conscious storytelling and soul-touching melodies.
Through the cracks where truth is growing, no chain can hold the rising sun. No shadow stop what we become. Stand firm, the tide is turning.
This is the kind of music that reminds you what reggae is truly about. Truth, struggle, freedom, and elevation. Rivers of Freedom flows with intention, carrying a message that resonates far beyond the music.
Hearts awaken, spirit burning. Through the storm we carry on until the new day dawns.
But Jah Rain's journey didn't start here. Entering the music scene in 2011, he quickly made his mark, forming the EA Vibes Creation Band and performing across Jamaica. Through powerful live performances, major stage shows, and national media appearances, he established himself as a voice of upliftment and revolutionary roots.
Politicians speak in gold, but the hungry still feel cold. Yet the drum beat never lies. Here the ancestors arise, from the hills to city streets.
Behind the music, Jah Rain is a visionary songwriter and producer, collaborating with top-tier artists while mentoring and coaching rising talent within the culture. His sound is a seamless fusion of deep lyrical expression, conscious messaging, and authentic roots energy, creating music that doesn't just play, but speaks.
Every heartbeat keep the beat. Justice is a living flame.